Kita mo kagad yun. Kain na, te.
Well, I have to confess that it's quite challenging to add a single word after the very comprehensive message conveyed by our leader, Melita and Catherine. Thank you so much. And one of the things that I would like to avoid is to preach already converted people and just refer to gender equality as a statistic data and a simple, question of advocacy. So I'm here representing the United Nations as a humble soldier that is leading an organization that is expected to bring knowledge, public goods, technical assistance and resources to make sure that we assist our leader, Hermelita, in implementing her vision for gender equality and women's empowerment. So, Chairperson of the Philippine Commission on Women, senior representative from the government, their colleagues, I see Asek De Leon, Asek Almojuela, other representatives from departments, former leaders from UN Women, and also representatives from the international community, members of the business community, the private sector, academia, university. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Assalamu alaikum and buenos dias. So indeed, and this is out of protocol, it's a great honor to represent the United Nations at this celebration. This is a historic moment, 50 years of action, 50 years of a noble fighting in this, what I consider a human rights agenda. I'm coming from a country where we say that one of the secrets of life is to make stepping stones out of stumbling blocks. And this is an expression that I think that clearly reflects the nature, the identity of the Philippines Commission on Women. Because in fact, it was created with the mission to transform obstacles, structural obstacles, not simple obstacles. Many of them that are rooted, as I was saying, rooted in a male-dominant culture, and to transform them into open pathway of equality and justice. So it's an institution with 50 years of, as I said, a noble fighting to bring gender equality and justice. So this anniversary not only honors the Philippines Commission on Women's, the legacy that was rightly presented by Hermelita, but also the tireless work of feminist advocate, grassroots organizations, civil society leaders, many of them present today, human rights defenders, including those from the LGBT plus community, who have fought for decades to advance, as I said, gender equality and women's empowerment. So this celebration belongs to all of you who have been at the front lines, holding institutions accountable, advancing women's rights, and ensuring that gender equality remains central at the